Diagnosing today's technologically advanced vehicles can push even the most seasoned techs to the brink. When systems seem to resist your tech's best efforts, how do they cope with the inevitable frustration? Let's talk about some strategies for overcoming these technological barriers. First, your tech should alter their mindset when challenges emerge. Rather than failures, view setbacks as growth opportunities to expand your skill set. Adopting this growth mentality allows your techs to learn lessons from each puzzle, approaching them with positivity. They should reframe obstacles as chances to deepen their practical knowledge. Another good strategy is dividing overwhelming jobs into smaller, digestible chunks. By doing so, your techs can tackle problems one at a time. This not only makes the project less daunting, but also provides a sense of accomplishment. When your techs inevitably hit a technological wall, step back and take some time to reset. Walk away for a bit and think about it before coming back to even finish the job. Fresh eyes often reveal new perspectives. And remember, your techs aren't alone on this journey. Consult fellow technicians in online communities who have navigated similar bumps. Their insights and experience can provide workarounds when your techs are stuck on options. After your techs solve a tough issue, or any issue at all, tell them to keep a detailed log of issues faced and lessons learned. This can become their troubleshooting handbook if these pesky issues come back in the future. Also, prepare them for some trial and error. The complexity of modern vehicles means not every attempt your techs have at fixing something will work, but each dead end ruled out gets them closer to the true culprit. After all, patience is key. Our desire for instant gratification often clashes with the methodical reality of vehicle repair. Some particularly elusive problems may require multiple recalibrations and part swaps before they nail the fix. With the right mindset and tenacity, no technological challenge can withstand a seasoned technician for long. Stay positive and stick to the fundamentals when the solution just seems out of reach. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.